One useful tool for that is timing momentum. Timing momentum is a score from 0 to 5, where 5 represents the strongest bullish setup. It combines several factors including trend direction, price momentum, relative strength, power days, and the relationship between the 20 and 50 EMA. For example, here we can see Anaptys Bio, SAB Biotherapeutics, and Venture Global all showing a timing momentum score of 5, which suggests strong bullish momentum. We also have the timing momentum direction column, which shows how the score has changed over the last 10 days. A positive number means momentum is improving, while a negative value indicates weakening momentum. This helps us quickly identify stocks where momentum is strengthening and where strong trends may be developing. Thank you for watching. Subscribe or sign up to our research, but also don't forget to do your own research.